Hi guys, this is just a real quick video. I just new to motovlogging and decided to get the latest, GoPro. It's a 10, a Hero 10, and let's do unboxing because I'm gonna set it up on my helmets. So, and I'm supposed to get a package later tonight, and we'll put all the, everything together. And I ordered like a mounts for this helmet. I'm actually gonna do both helmets, but let's open it up and see, would be interesting. I never used this camera, and so I got the latest model. Let's do real quick. So it looks like it comes, it's nice, it comes with this nice box. So probably can put in my, bike's luggage case. Okay. So this is supposed to be 23 megapixels if you take a photos, 5Ks and 4Ks, and I think it's pretty much the form factor is pretty much identical to GoPro 9. So they looks like identical cameras, but it looks pretty neat and small. There's one more thing. Okay, this is a USB cable. So this is that could be handy because this is actually going to stick on one of those helmets. I'm going to stick on the side here, and one will go straight. So I got a different setup for like kind of to do like on the front of helmet, because I didn't want to do those rubber temporary ones because they would interfere with my shield. So and the wind getting through, and plus it's going to interfere with your air passage. So I think I'd rather just stick something on the helmet. Again, you'll see it guys later. Okay, whatever, there's a small batteries, and I ordered a set of 2 with their charger. So the price I got was around $400. I think I got it on sale on July 4th. Exact retail price I'm not quite sure. It's about $500, but I got on, like I said, on sale. Got, I guess, a little lucky. So, and here is plus comes with a mount, and there's a little screw. I do have this one from Joby. This is in case if I'm gonna do some kind of a videos on motorcycle maintenance. I bought this one, let's say if I do oil change or some chain maintenance. So this actually came, this is a Joby for GoPro, and it's already came with this plate, quick release plate. All I have to do pretty much, let's open it. Okay, that's pretty neat. So I guess we're gonna just set it up here. And this screw comes right in. Okay. Yep. So pretty simple. As far as the helmets, we'll see later how it works, but this one is straightforward. Like I said, never took a video, but I'm very excited because it's supposed to be pretty good quality when I see on on the YouTube some videos. Let me just get this one. So what else? So we've got this one. I've got this adapter, which is kind of pain in the neck because there is no 0.5 millimeters like regular plug for the microphone. So you need to buy this thing, from whatever for like $29 or like $30. You have to buy this adapter, which is kind of a big thing, going to be hanging from your helmet. So, but let's see, let's open it. This is kind of annoying. You have to spend extra money. Okay, that's what it looks like. There is a jack for the microphone, 3.5 millimeter, but this goes into the camera. So probably anyone who motovlogging knows how pain in the neck this is it. So basically, let's see, let's just do. Basically, this is. Yeah. Also, there's one more question, because this is people quite often how to open it. And I looked up previously in the video, you have to pull this down because you can't open it, you cannot pry anything, you're going to damage it. You can pull this down, it's a spring activated, spring action. You see, you pull this thing and that's it. So that's where the battery goes in. And this thing, that's where you plug this microphone adapter, but then you have to, this thing going to be kind of hanging in there from your helmet. So they sell on Amazon. I actually ordered from B&H, where you can actually get it kind of like a box, which has like a storage for this. There's a separate little box underneath. It's going to be kind of together, except it's going to be much larger. I'm not quite sure when I set it up on a helmet, it might just go too high. So let's put like this one plus a box. So it's going to be probably more like on the side. It might work, but we'll see it later. I'm going to include in this video the helmet setup. Anyway, you need this thing to order on Amazon, on B&H. It's the right here. It's a 3.5 millimeter, adapter. Okay, we got this one. We got GoPro HERO10 Black, and we got adapter. Well, we got a helmet. So this is actually pretty neat. I think it's kind of I have an older helmet, and I'm gonna set it up on the side here, so it might work. Okay, so, and there's one more thing. I've got this media mode, and we can open it up real quick. So this is sort of to do, because this way I don't need any microphone. It comes with a microphone. We can pretty much put inside the box, and let's see what it looks like. Okay, hold on a second, let me open it. Hi guys, I want to do it real quick here because I took some time to, put one helmet together. So this is kind of pretty straightforward. This comes like in a double-sided tape. And what happened is I purchased this mount for my kind of like main helmet. So I got this AGV K5, but the problem is the geometry is just not working, so it's not, it's not tight. And I had this old AJC, and it was just pretty easy, because this is like a smooth and round surface. Same way here, I'm gonna mount actually one right here on the top. So I'm kind of thinking about getting another like a newer HJC, because they kind of same geometry and pretty easy to mount stuff like this. And this K5, it's kind of a pretty pain in the neck, because there is nowhere, even this one has a lot of angles here, there's like nowhere to mount. So I ordered another one, and this is one-sided, and what it is gonna get double sticky tape here. It goes on this side. The problem is I don't want to mount because I don't feel safe. I don't think it will hold it. So on a high speed, on the highway, so I kind of hesitant to go ahead and mount this. They all come with this kind of like a safety rope. You're gonna stick, this double stick this just for protection, for safety, and you're gonna hook it up to the camera, so in case it's gonna fall off. But still, I wouldn't feel comfortable about this anyway. So this I'm gonna set up later. But I'm gonna do like a real test drive. Take a bike out today on the highway, and we'll do the next post later, and we'll update mostly about the sound. So I did stick, this is like this adapter. It's kind of very silly, this big brick you have to buy, because this is only USB-C and GoPro goes in here, and you have to also put some kind of like a duct tape. This is like really silly. You have to buy like a mile of duct tape for this motovlogging. Anyway, so I put it, and there's one more little detail. This is 3.5 millimeter, jack here, but this little adapter, it comes with purple, because this is purple Panda, and this little adapter comes with purple Panda. And there's a million posts about it, so it's pretty straightforward. It just comes with several of this like long cable, and you run through. It goes to like little microphone. I kind of run through this padding here, It's pretty simple. Where's your ears? You can kind of coil it up and show it, and that's where the microphone is. I don't know if you can see it. Okay, so now that's what I was gonna say. You know, because this adapter, you see there's three little stripes, 3 black stripes. And when I plug it in this big brick adapter, it's not gonna work because you need 2 for the stereo. So this little, like a short adapter, comes actually with purple Panda. So what you do, you kind of plug this directly to this little brick adapter, and then you do this one with 3 black stripes. That's why I mounted again, duct tape again, or Gorilla tape, whatever. So it's kind of silly. It's ridiculous that GoPro does not do just the standard like 3.5 millimeter microphone jack. It's kind of ridiculous. But anyway, it seems to be working. I tested, I paired it with iPhone, and I just wonder how it works. And we'll take it for the test drive later, and I will post in the next post. And thank you so much, guys. Okay, so real quick, I just wanted to mention the most important part is that's pretty much the setup. And this one arm here, let's see, that's the safety rope here. So I don't know, I should hold it, but I'm not sure how reliable it is. But I kind of not really big on this single swing arm, even though it helps me a little that it's slightly high, so I could see this red light blinking here, and slightly like I can see the point of view. And this is this crazy brick, I call it brick adapter. The one you have to pay additional, $40-50 to the GoPro on Amazon. And there's another adapter like this one, TRS adapter. This is tiny, which is supplied by Purple Panda. So what it is, it's got 1 and 2 of these rings. So the black rings. Let's see and so what important part is, guys, that's what happened in my first ride when I came out, took for the test, the night before. It's this one. It has to be snapped really hard, because it make sure that it snaps all the way. Let me do it now. You see, when I pull it out, it's even hard to pull. Let me see. Okay, so when I do it back, you see, it feels like almost it's in there, but it's not. And when you do it, you make sure that you snap. Okay, you hear the click? So that's important, otherwise you're not gonna get any audio. So that's why my first helmet, it didn't work, and I actually YouTubed, and one guy pointed this important. So okay, so make sure that you plug this. The one has a double ring, because this plug has 3 black rings. So that's important, and that's pretty much the setup. It's fine for now, but I think I kind of like the one which is the first helmet. I think I posted in previous video. And thanks guys so much for watching, and so I'm gonna do more updates about this. Like I said, I'm just only, this is my pretty much first and second rides. I'm still learning, so I'll see you guys soon. Bye.